Why medical students fail clinical exams. Clinical examinations are not designed to test how much you have read. They are designed to test how well you can apply your knowledge at the bedside. Yet every year, many capable medical students fail their clinical exams. Not because they are weak students, but because they repeat the same critical mistakes. Number 1. Lack of regular practice. The most common reason for failure in clinical exams is lack of regular hands-on practice. Students read examination steps from books, watch videos, and memorize checklists, but they do not perform examinations daily. Clinical skills are motor skills. Without repetition, precision is lost. Number 2. Poor history and examination technique. Another major mistake is incomplete and unstructured history taking. In exams, examiners assess clarity, sequence, confidence, and relevance. Students often know the questions, but fail to ask them in the correct order or fail to link history with examination findings. Number 3. No peer-to-peer practice. Many students avoid practicing with friends and peers. They prefer passive learning, reading, watching, observing. But clinical exams demand active performance. Without practicing on real people, students fail to develop speed, coordination, and clinical flow. Number 4. Panic and time pressure. In the examination hall, time is limited. When a student has not practiced repeatedly, panic sets in. Hands tremble. Reflexes are slow. Steps are forgotten. This panic is not due to lack of knowledge. It is due to lack of muscle memory and confidence. Number 5. Poor case exposure. In real exams, cases are unpredictable. Students who prepare only textbook cases struggle when faced with a new or modified presentation. Clinical exams reward adaptability, not rote learning. Clinical success is not achieved one night before the exam. It is built through daily practice, structured history taking, proper examination technique, and peer-to-peer performance. Read less. Practice more. Examine daily. Because in clinical exams, what you do matters more than what you know. Subscribe this channel for upcoming videos.